Right now, as you watch this, there's a demolition crew inside your body waiting for permission to work. And most people, without realizing it, never give that permission. The result? Your cells slowly fill up with garbage, literal molecular garbage. Tonight, I'm going to show you what actually happens inside your cells while you sleep, and the one modern habit that's quietly shutting the whole system down. In 2016, a Japanese scientist named Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize for figuring out how this system works. It's called autophagy, from the Greek for self-eating. Sounds horrifying. It's actually the opposite. It's how you survive. Think of each of your 37 trillion cells as a tiny city. All day, that city produces waste, misfolded proteins, damaged mitochondria, the broken down power plants of the cell. If nobody picks up the trash, the streets clog, and a clogged cellular city is linked to the diseases we fear most: Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, cancer. Autophagy is the night shift sanitation crew. Structures called autophosomes, think garbage trucks, engulf the damaged parts and haul them to the lysosome, the city's recycling plant, where everything gets broken down and rebuilt into new materials. Your cell doesn't just take out the trash, it recycles it into new parts. That's real. And here's the twist evolution built in. This system is ancient. Yeast cells use it too, which is exactly how Osumi cracked it. When starving, yeast literally eat parts of themselves to survive. You carry that same survival code. Autophagy isn't a wellness trend, it's a billion-year-old emergency protocol. Here's the part that should make you sit up. This crew doesn't work on a schedule, it works on a signal. And the signal is simple: no incoming fuel. There's a molecular switch called mTOR. When you eat, especially protein and carbs, mTOR flips on and tells your cells supplies are coming in. Build, grow, don't recycle. Fasting flips it off, and a second sensor, AMPK, shouts, energy's low, start cannibalizing the junk. So that 10 p.m. snack, you're not just adding calories, you're calling the demolition crew and telling them to go home. Research in animal models, including work in cell metabolism on time-restricted feeding by Sachin Panda's lab at the Salk Institute, shows that when you eat matters, not just what. Mice eating the same calories in a shorter daily window were dramatically healthier than mice grazing around the clock. Worse, mTOR is hair trigger sensitive. Even a harmless protein shake or milky coffee flips it back on. Insulin rises, and the recycling shift gets sent home mid-job. It's like rebooting your computer during an update. The cleanup doesn't just pause, it starts over from zero. Now the uncomfortable question: how long until this kicks in meaningfully in humans? Honest answer, scientists are still nailing down exact human timelines because you can't easily biopsy someone's liver at 2 a.m. But the biology is consistent. Autophagy ramps up as insulin drops and fasting extends, with overnight fasts of 12 to 16 hours pushing the system into gear. Which means our great-grandparents who finished dinner at 6 and ate nothing until morning were running this deep clean program every single night by accident. Modern life with late-night snacks and midnight scrolling and munching may be the first era in human history where millions of people go years without a full cellular cleaning cycle. And sleep itself is part of the deal. Your brain runs a parallel rinse cycle, the glymphatic system, which research from Micah Nedergaard's lab, published in Science in 2013, showed flushes waste like beta amyloid far more effectively during sleep. Skip sleep, snack late, and both cleaning crews stand around doing nothing. So here's the ridiculous simplicity of it. Stop eating 3 hours before bed. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. That's it. No supplement, no biohack, no $200 protocol. A 12-hour overnight fast, dinner at 7, breakfast at 7, and your demolition crew clocks in every single night. Your cells have been waiting your entire life for you to just get out of the way.